Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to change the battery on the Movado watch model number 84G21899S 84G21899S or 7811267 or 7811267. So to open the back, you need to pop up the back with the screwdriver like that, easily, the flathead screwdriver. You don't have to force anything, you don't have to push anything again. Somebody put the battery 395 here, which is the same as 973. No, wait a second, I'll tell you right now. 395, it is 927, but we are going to install the 371 battery because it's a better battery to fit in this watch from our knowledge and practice. This time we're going to use the Energizer because we're going to run out of Maxell, but Energizer is a very good battery. That's a UK manufacturer, a US manufacturer, so we never had problem with them too. But normally we use the Maxell, which are Japanese. So you gotta place gently the battery in its place. You can do it from this side like that. So you see how flat and nice it fit the watch versus the other one that was popping up. So then the back of the watch, you gotta place this opening in front of the stem and crown so you can snap it in. Right? And to check the watch, you gotta put both hands together so you can see how the watch is operable or not, right? And the back of the watch apparently will need the machine to close it. It is going to be the pressure machine that we use normally to close the watches, but if you have it, make sure you don't damage the glass. That's up to you how to use it. This is how the pressure machine works. You gotta put the back again, align the back correctly right there, and now you gotta place the machine in front of the case and back so you can press it nicely, firmly. It clicked, so that means everything is ready. The watch is going to be water resistant again, so that's why you need to make sure you press and you close the back of the watch correctly. Meanwhile, as you can see, the minute hand move, so we can just go ahead and set the time, and the watch is ready, the battery replaced. Thank you guys for watching. This was TBT Watches with you guys. Thank you very much. If you liked it, put the thumbs up, subscribe. If you didn't, let us know what you didn't like. We'll definitely try to improve next time. Thank you very much for watching.